So our virtual sessions started because of the COVID pandemic. They've changed a lot since then. We've upgraded the equipment, we've tried different sessions, we've explored with different deliverers as well. It's always been around just giving schools the opportunity to get active. It's very low cost to the schools. They don't have to pay anything, no transport. For us, it's a low cost, very cost effective for a child as well. The majority of our schools take part every year, but within most sessions we're always over 1,000 young people taking part. It's really great to see them on the TV screen having a great time.
I just love seeing kids being physically active. So knowing that I can deliver these sessions for free and they are getting their physical needs met whilst in school gives me a massive sense of achievement.